Okay, hello everyone. This is Goodison Gamer once again. Welcome to another review. Today I bring you Demon Attack on the Commodore 64, and this shooter from 1984. This conversion is from 84, but the original is from 82. I have only tried it on the briefly on the Atari 2600. I think that might have been the first version of this game. I liked it. It was pretty tough, but I liked it. So let's see now how the Demon Attack plays on the Commodore 64. I play with my controller here. And gun mode. Tracer or regular. I prefer regular. So let's jump into the game here. So here we are in this white ship down in the bottom here, fighting against the demon birds or whatever they are. We have a nice background here, but there is a problem here because the enemies tend to melt into the backgrounds, so they are not very apparent all the time, and as well as the enemy shooting can be a little bit hard to see because that as well melt into the background. My lives is up there. I started with 3 lives and I got another life now. I don't know exactly why, because I have not really figured out all the gameplay and the plot and everything. My scores are up to the left, and I think that has something to do with my lives. When I reach a certain point, I will be rewarded with another life, so that's cool. And the enemies change form from wave to wave, and they also change their the firing, the weapons. But I am stuck. Fuck, I lost a life there, my first life. I am stuck with the same weapon, I think, all the time. That's not really fair, is it? Is it? But it is what it is. It's a shooter, so it should be a challenge. Oof. So now I have these small demon birds here. They can be pretty tough to shoot down, actually. You need to be very accurate. Time your moves a lot and keep your head cool, because you want to stay in the position long enough, but not that long enough so you get shot down. Oh, like that. That was pretty close. There I got one. Oof. Oh my Jesus, that was pretty close. There you go. So far. Ooh, shit. They are on me now. Oh, come on. Yeah, I got it. So it's a cooler version, actually. It was quite some time ago I played the 2600 version, the Atari. I think there was a different graphic to it. This has more colors to it. I don't really remember, but I think the Atari version was pitch black in the background. So it was a little bit easier to see the enemies and their weapons and their shootings and everything. So these enemies now has a pretty strange pattern, so they can be a little tricky to take out. So if there is any... Oh, they jump on me there. So and these enemies is tough to see for because of the backgrounds. Actually, we have now here. There's green and very dark. And they have advanced weapons. when they fly into the view of the planet Earth there, they can be pretty tough to see, as well as when they're in space actually, so it doesn't really make any difference. They are pretty evil looking, this. Oh shit! Shit, I cannot really jump over them, so it's pretty tough when they come in that strange patterns. Oof, so if there is any viewers who have experience or played any of the any of these Demon Attack games, you can write down in the comment section. I would really like to know. I'm really curious here. I think it reminds me a little of the classic old Space Invaders. But this has a different take to it. It's impossible to stay away from these yellow demon birdies there when they jump on you like that. There are no room to maneuver from them actually. Let's try it once again here. Should try not to go on forever today, but let's try once again here if we can get anywhere. So this is back to the beginning again. So I was rewarded 1 life more there. Thank you. Oops. Stay away from. Come on now. There you go. This small one, this one are very tough to aim at, and they can disappear. Like that, it's pretty tough to see where they are actually. They are so small. And they don't have distinct colors as well, as just melting into the background. So that's the weakness with this game. It's pretty tough to see. It could have been really, really awesome, this conversion. But I'm enjoying it anyway. Oof. Yeah, come on, 2 more left I think. No, there are 2. Shit! There you go, yes. Okay, back here again. With this yellow that jump on you. Like they are flying snakes or something. Look at it. It's no room to maneuver when they jump on you like that. It's very, very tough actually. Shit! Here they go once again. It's not very fair, I think. And they transform into this. Look at it. Now I'm losing life here a lot. So I think the... Shit. I'm not playing good right now actually. I think one has to be more quicker to take them out before they transform into this yellow. There is one yellow again. I'm completely helpless against them, I think. So one has to be very quick. So this is Demon Attack. Yeah, it's a nice game. It's very, very tough. Very, very tough game. And this graphics, it looks good, but it's dark and it's tough to spot the enemies all the time. They just melt into the backgrounds as well as the shootings. So it is what it is, but it's a cool version. I think I'm pretty. I like it quite good actually. I will rate it 6 out of 10 for Demon Attack on Commodore 64. So there you go. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Take care, and don't forget to have a good one. Goodbye.